Ndakulandirani muli bwanji. That means welcome. How are you in Chichewa? My name is Russell Makonyola from Ubuntu Talks. I am from Malawi, specifically the southern part of Malawi, Blantyre. Malawi is a country located in the southern part of Africa, and our official language is Chichewa. Aside Chichewa, we do have other languages such as Lomwe, Tumbuka, Yao, and many others. Chichewa is also spoken in other parts of Africa, particularly Southern Africa, countries like Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique. As an individual, I'm passionate about teaching. I love to help people acquire new knowledge and new skills. And at Ubuntu Talks, I teach Chichewa. So if you're coming to Malawi and would like to learn how to speak Chichewa, or you just want to learn a new language, let me invite you to learn how to speak Chichewa with Ubuntu Talks. Ndipo ine Russell Makonyola zakuphunzitsani kuwerenga komanso kulankhula Chichewa. Zikomo.